Marine Rescue received their new 10-meter Naiad rescue boat, built by Yamba Welding and Engineering, powered by twin Suzuki 300 horsepower motors. Capable of reaching a top speed of 42 knots, these vessels will enhance search and rescue capabilities in Northern Rivers area. Boat featuring state-of-the-art navigation and communications technology, including a full Raymarine suite. The evolution in design has resulted in two outstanding marine rescue NSW vessels capable of heavy bar crossings and long distance. Volunteers from Marine Rescue Brunswick attended the sea trial and were inducted on the Year 30.